So today we just bought the Advantech, the Subfloor, for the next 2 RVs, and I should have brought sunglasses, and I have to seal that stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to do the boards on this trailer first, and then in a couple of hours I'll come out and do the other ones that are still on the ground. So I'll paint these up. We just brought one of the trailers over to my cousin so he can start the process of welding that one, and then shortly thereafter this one right here. And then we can actually put the subfloor down and start the frame. Probably should have mixed that, yeah? Yeah. I'm gonna fly through tick and insect repellent today. Especially near my ankles. Ugh. So step one, before I even begin to paint, I need to brush off the subfloor, which in hindsight I probably should have done a few minutes ago. This is my test walk to see if I'm gonna fall through the floor and see if it's strong enough to hold me. I really hope I don't. Obviously these haven't gone to my cousin yet to get welded, so they're not really sitting on a whole lot to support me. And that is probably exactly why my dad has me doing this. Sheesh. So that's really thick. And I'm gonna add water. Is that a good idea? I don't know. I guess I'm gonna find out. How am I gonna mix that? I suppose like this. Don't do what I'm doing. I mean, what do I know? But I think that worked pretty good. So long as that didn't compromise the formula, I guess. Cool. Where's the rest of this? All right, well, I'm missing part of my roller. That's fine. I haven't painted anything in a while, so if my technique sucks, let me live a little. So I'm starting to get a blister on my pinky finger, so I'm gonna go wrap some hockey tape around it, and then I'm halfway done with one set of these boards, and I still have one more set to do. So hopefully this will only take another hour or so. It depends, I might come back out and do the second half later tonight. I just realized that I have a whole second coat to do, so I will not be done in an hour, but hopefully within the next end of the day if I have nothing else to do. Starting the second coat. Okay, so we just finished doing the second coat of these boards right here, and my dad came out and helped me and brought me a longer roller, thank God. And now we're starting those boards over there. All right, so fortunately we were able to get all of the boards painted yesterday and stacked on top of each other so they wouldn't warp too much on the ground. And then this morning we came out and stacked them all on a pallet. Ricky, if you could just scooch right over there. And now we're just waiting for my cousin to tell us when exactly the trailers, he's gonna be able to help us weld them, and a couple of other finishing touches with the projects and the plans for how we're actually gonna build these things. So yeah, we're in limbo a little bit, but hopefully we'll be able to start in the next week or so. So we'll keep you posted and we'll see you next time.